Well, I'm so excited I had to share. I just won my last heart. He still flinches, but that's okay. Look at that. Aw, good baby. See, I won't hurt you. They're getting it. Oh man, your breakfast is almost gone. You can go get some from everybody else now, huh? I'm gonna have to buy you a bigger can of food. Look at that. Let's see. Contestant number 2. Hi, Gray. Hi, honey. It's okay. It's all right. Yeah. You eating your food? Just look at that. This one actually is excited when I show up in the mornings. That is so cool. And in the feeding times, he actually comes with a little excited jump. Let's see, we got to do some kitty litter again. And he's feeling better. You're feeling better. That stuff I'm putting in the food is helping. I'm so glad. So here's our trio. Tux, Gray 2, and Nex. He's finally not glaring at me. I love it. Have a great day.